There was a man, he went to Umrah. And when he went to Umrah, he was doing tawaf around the Kaaba. He was making dua, Ya Allah. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-Jannah. Ya Rabbi ghafir li wa rizqni al-Jannah. He's asking Allah, making dua. And then during the tawaf, something happened to him, and then he fell ill and he fell unconscious and he was taken to the hospital. When he was taken to the hospital, he woke up. When he wakes up, he sees he's in a room, it's completely white. And when he sees and he can smell a nice fragrance, and he smells it and he thinks, Ya Allah, he thinks, I'm dead. He says, Allahu Akbar, Al-Jannah, Al-Jannah, he says. And then when he starts screaming Al-Jannah, they are nurses. All the nurses, they get his attention. When they see him screaming, they think he's lost his mind. He starts trying to get up. So all the nurses, they come and they try to hold him down. And he sees all these beautiful nurses holding him down. And he says, Allahu Akbar, Hoorul Ain. And then all the women, they're holding him down. He says, one at a time, one at a time. When you enter Jannah, you'll say, one at a time, inshallah.